back to my workshop. Today we'll be wiring in a Link Plus ECU into my V8's turbo soarer. So this is where we're at the moment. So just recently we added some piping to the car just to sort of mist the turbo with the cooling hoses. We've got this set up at the moment so we can test run it, and temporarily water bottle there. But over here we got the wiring loom. So on the description of this video we'll have a list of all the wires we cut into, and there will be a link for you guys to go and look it up for yourself. So this could help you with your piggyback units, could help you with even other kinds of ECUs. Doesn't matter what, most of the wires are pretty similar. Over here we've gone and de-loomed all the wires that we need from the ECU plugs of the soarer. They're quite different from like the SC400s, I think. I haven't actually seen another one. And yeah, so we've got all the wires ready to go, marked everything on them. All the colors on these are still the same for you guys. So if you're doing the same thing, you need to do the same. All the colors here and wires will be the same, but the link will be there. Over this side we have the Link Plus engine management system, and we have the pinouts for the wires. So what we did there is we also found all the wires we need and we marked them out. This will also be available on in the description, so because there's heaps of stuff that you don't need. So over here you can see everything is marked. The wire colors is different because we had to get some different pin-ins for the wires. So enjoy this video. So firstly we're going to start off with the powers, earths and triggers, and yeah, I might just put you guys on this little step here just so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so over here we have the ECU ignition wire, and we'll be wiring it into the 12 volts of the power. Okay guys, so that's the last one. That's throttle position sensor. We still need to put the 5-volt on the other throttle position sensor, which we haven't done, which is on the first plug we did, which we haven't done. No. Okay, yeah guys, so we're going to go for coffee. Oh, fuck me.
Fuck me, Dave.